The type of cough syrup you take might be the reason why your stomach ulcer is not healing. Let me explain. Some cough syrup contain carbocisteine, and carbocisteine basically they break down the disulphide bonds in the mucus, and this is not entirely specific to the respiratory mucus. They some way somehow affect the mucus in your stomach lining, those protective layer, and that can affect the healing process of your ulcer. So it is advisable that if you have active peptic ulcer disease, you avoid carbocisteine containing cough syrup. If you have any cough, make sure you speak to your pharmacist or your doctor. Don't forget to like, follow, and repost.